Welcome to Miss Sarah's Math Corner. This video is about perimeter. When we're talking about perimeter, we're talking about the space or the distance around a particular shape. So a lot of people compare it to a fence. So in a real life example, if we were going to put a fence around a schoolyard, and the keyword is around, you don't care about what's happening inside, it's just around. So to calculate the perimeter, all you have to do is add all of the sides together. So in this example, we have a regular rectangle. The length is 7 centimeters. The width is 5 centimeters. And that's all the information we have for that those two sides. But because we know what a rectangle is, that the top here is 7 centimeters, that must mean that down here is going to be 7 centimeters as well. Because we know this is 5, the other side must be 5 centimeters too. To find the perimeter all the way around, all we have to do is add them all together. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 10 plus 14 is 24 centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape, 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 is 24 centimeters. So that is all around a regular rectangle. Perimeter is around. If you have an irregular shape, perimeter works exactly the same way, but there's maybe some extra steps you might have to take in order to figure out some of the missing sides. So perimeter, again, since I'm trying to find things all around, and again, a real life example might be if you want to figure out how much fencing you have to use, or if you're doing the border of something, that might be an example of perimeter in real life. In this particular example, I'm going to change this. We're going to make things a little bit more simpler for us. We're going to put things in centimeters. But again, if it's in a different measurement, all you would have to do is convert it. But we're going to keep this the same. So in this irregular shape, 10 centimeters down here, this is 8. This line is 4, and this line is 3. So because we know perimeter is around, we need to definitely figure out how long this line is, and we have to figure out how long this line is. Luckily for us, we have just the right amount of information to figure this out. So let's start with the missing line on this side. So if I know the whole thing is 8 centimeters, and I know that this little part right here is the one that's missing, but at least it's telling me that 4 centimeters is here on this side. Well, this is 8. This is 4. What's missing? Something plus 4 is 8. So you said 4. That makes a lot of sense. Here's the missing one. 4 plus 4 is 8. Beautiful. The next one. 10 centimeters is the total length. Well, I know that this is 3, but something is missing over here to make it 10. So the total has to be 10. 3 plus something is 10. That would be 7. So now that I have all the distances around the shape, again, perimeter means around. Now that I have all the distances, all I have to do is add them up all together. So 8, I'm going to write it on the side and then move the camera in just a second, plus 7, plus 4, plus 3, plus another 4, plus 10. So we're putting that all together to find the answer of 36 centimeters. So again, It's really important to remember that when you're dealing with perimeter, that you know the difference between the two main words dealing with measurement. There's going to be another video talking about area, but perimeter is around the shape or the fence, and it works for regular shapes like squares and rectangles and triangles, and of course works for irregular shapes as well. As long as you have the missing sides, you just add them all together and it comes up as the total perimeter. And that is how to find out perimeter. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.